Today I'm going to share with you guys why you should invest in growth ETFs over dividend ETFs. Some of you guys might think like, oh, dividends are just simpler, or like, it's giving you money every month or whatever it is. But honestly, if you're young, you should be investing in growth stocks. So really the main reason to go with a growth ETF over a dividend ETF is dividends are taxed as income. So all the dividends you make, if it's like 5% dividend, right? That's a pretty high dividend. Whatever money you actually profit in dividends is going to be taxed as income. So that raises your taxes quite a significant amount. And if you look at the difference between capital gains tax and income tax tends to be a lot higher. And with the growth ETFs, you can hold it for over a year and then you get long-term capital gains. And long-term capital gains are a lot lower than income tax and short-term capital gains. And you don't have to pay any tax until you finally take profit. So if you're investing over a long time horizon, then growth ETFs are the way to go. Another reason is dividend ETFs just tend to underperform the growth ETFs. So as you can see from this chart, regular SPY massively outperforms SPY D over 20 years. So if you were to invest $10,000 in 20 years, you would have $80,000 if you were in SPY and $38,000 if you were in SPY D. That's only including the growth factor of the stocks. It's not including dividend reinvestment. So if you add in the dividend reinvestment, you have this chart, and you can still see that SPY does significantly better at $80,000 in 20 years versus $56,000 in 20 years. So overall, it's just better to invest in SPY, or rather regular ETFs, growth ETFs, rather than dividend ETFs. So overall, it's a better idea to invest in growth ETFs than dividend ETFs, unless you have a very specific case where you'd prefer a higher income over capital gains tax.